Hello everyone and welcome to the Gloom, round one of our our third quest here, and first room. So we are ready to go. Player movement and enemy movement has been decided. So we are going to start with Ivanta Die. She gets to go first. And so the first thing she was going to do, smoke bomb, pull 2, and so she was gonna pull this guy closer to her so we can just wail on him. So that was Ivanta's strategy here, and then she was going to use backstab and going to attack 3 plus 2 because it's not near, or because it's near an ally, and then another 2 because it's not near any of its allies now. So you got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the attack modifier is +0. So so it's going to take 7 hits of damage, and the Living Bones has a shield 1, so it's going to take 6 hits of damage. Which you can see there, 6 hits of damage, and this one is dead. So good job, Ivanta, taking out that guy right away. 2 experience for you, and remember you got injured in the road quest, so that's why your energy is low there. And then next is going to be archers. They drew a 14, so they're going next. Sucks, but that's how it works. One thing, as I've always explained, is I'm learning this game as we go, and one thing I either overlooked or didn't quite realize is if it doesn't say it on here, they can't do it. So if it didn't say attack on here, if it only had move, then that means they're not attacking. And I think I had them attacking and moving every round, I believe. So, but anyway, this one does have both. So they're going to move 1 less, the archers, but they don't need to move because they have a range of 4. And if you look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is even closer. So we are all in range of these archers. And because Ivanta went first, they're both going to attack her. And so archers have an attack of 2, but they got a -1. So they attacked, but they got -1. So they both take 1 hit point away from Ivanta. 5, 4. All right. And then if you look, it says create a 3 damage trap in the adjacent empty space. Let me save that, and you're going to create a trap there, and then you're going to create a trap there. So we got more traps all over this board. I don't think Rat Damon has the ability to get rid of traps, so we'll have to try to figure something out there. Next person to go was Adonis, our Tinkerer right here, ready to get started in Quest 3. And Adonis's first move was going to be to attack, was going to use Enhancement Field, and that's going to be an attack 3, but drew a -1, so an attack 2 on our archer friend here. So attack 2, 1, 2, 3, yep. So archer 1 gets 2 damage to them. So 2 damage to our little archer friend there. Okay, let me go ahead and put that there. There we go. If you're wondering, I'm putting the little damage pieces on there so we can track that. So he has 3 hit points left, and no experience. Okay, next card, Restorative Mist, and was going to heal 1 to him and all allies. So we'll start with Ivanta. Oops, goes back to 5. And then he goes back to 7. And our little rat guy, Rat Damon, goes to 5. Okay. So that is where he will end his turn. And then we have Living Bones. Rat Damon decided to use an 82 for his number, so I don't know how smart that was. Living Bones has a 64. Move -1, but attack +1. Remember, Living Bones is an elite, and so he has no range. So he has to move. His move is 4 -1, so he's gonna move there. And it goes by, since we're equal distance, it goes by the person that went first, which is Ivanta. And it's going to attack 2, 3 to Ivanta. So Ivanta is gonna go 1, 2, 3. Down to 2 hit points. Still alive, but starting to hurt a little bit here. And then, is that all? Oh, I forgot. Living Bones targets 3. So Rat Damon takes 3 damage as well. 1, 2, 3. And Adonis is going to take 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that attack really freaking hurt. The fact that he can hit all 3 of us at the same time hurts. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, Adonis isn't right next to him. And he has no range. So Adonis doesn't get hit. Let me clarify that. I didn't put that back. Adonis doesn't get hit. Put him back. Okay, so Adonis doesn't get hit. But these 2 did. And so they're dying. Alright, so Rat Damon, what do you got for us? What are you going to do? Rat Damon is going to summon the Horde. Summon the Horde. 2 experience points for Rat Damon. Let's get him 2 experience. 2 and 2. So, sitting pretty. Which is funny because that's what Ivanta is at as well. 2 and 2. So the Horde is summoned. Let's get our Horde out. And put the Horde right there. And the Horde does not move its first turn, so it's not going to attack anything. It's going to sit there. The good thing is these guys, it's closer to these guys than she is, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see? So on the next turn, these guys are going after the Horde and not her. Problem is he can hit all 3 of us. So next turn, what is Little Rat Damon going to do? Submissive Affliction. Attack 2. Force 1 enemy to attack 2. So here's the issue with that. That's the issue with that. So I drew a -2 on a 2 attack. So it's wiped out. Bad round for Rat Damon there. Going last hurt because if I had gone sooner, then the ranged guys would have attacked this guy. And yeah, that -2 hurts. That really does hurt. So, we got one guy dead, thanks to Ivanta, and we got another one with some damage. We got 1 hit point healed. And so the next round's going to be interesting. We're going to have to hit this guy hard or he's going to kill us. Yeah, that's what we're going to have to do. Just, there's no choice. So, all right, that is round one. Sorry it sounds so dreary already. Already we're getting beat up and hurt. We got traps everywhere. But this is Quest 3, man. Quest 3 doesn't play around. As you'll see, we got more enemies beyond this room. We only got one door, but we'll get in there and hopefully we don't die. And we'll take care of business. But hopefully you enjoyed round one. Until next time.